we have insulation.
So if you've been watching for a while, we're on this ongoing continual improvement of our Coleman Camp Oven. And in the past, I was like, it's real windy today. And in the past, I was covering it with layers of aluminum foil, trying to keep the wind from coming in. And as you can see, there's lots of holes, and it comes under between the flame, between the stove and the oven where the flame is. So when it's windy, the flame, if it's on low, can go out. Or if you're trying to keep a constant temperature with the wind blowing, it keeps cooling it. So you have to have the stove on really high, which was causing the bottom of the whatever baking to burn. So if you remember, we put the fire brick in there, which we got at Lowe's. It's just an unglazed tile stone, cut it to fit. And then a couple viewers mentioned to try a welding blanket. So this is, I think it's a Tillman's welding blanket we got on Amazon. It came in a pretty good size blanket, and I made a pattern out of an old piece of tarp. I just measured it out and I made a pattern that was kind of T-shaped. So it's one piece. And then I used JB weld, which is rated to like 500 and some degrees, to weld it together and then cover the bottom so it doesn't unravel. So I don't know, I thought it would just be a nice way to just throw something over it to keep it on there. I have these high-powered magnets. I just put them there.
So we're gonna crank this up to 375 and get some banana bread in there. Pistol update. She is doing great. Chewing her bone like normal. She's been sleeping a lot, which is normal, but she's been sleeping.
She's like her mom.
What? Sleeping a lot? No.
I'm slaving away in the kitchen over here.
Yeah, Dave's working on that banana bread. I can't smell it yet, but it just went in.
It's the timer is a glass of wine.
Is it? When the wine's gone, it's done? Dum dum dum, the moment of truth.
So much pressure.
It smells delicious. Oh, wow. Well, it smells amazing. Now, how was it maintaining the temperature? Was it different, better?
It was so simple. Yeah, even the breeze, the wind was changing. It was like windy, then calm, windy, then calm. But I really had to just barely manipulate that for 50 minutes. It was simple. I actually drank a whole glass of wine and barely paid attention.
So I guess you could say it was a success. We'll let that cool and we'll take Pistol for a little evening walk around the park here. Come back and cut her open. Pistol loves banana bread, and especially this banana bread because it is amazing. It's like the edges have caramelized from the sugars and the banana. So good. We've eaten like a half a loaf already. I believe that is my dinner. Okay, it's me. It's all me.
So good.
All right, we're gonna wrap it up in there for the night. Tuck in. Give this puppy some more medicine, and we'll make a decision in the morning. We're gonna head out to Echo Bay, which is another campground about 30 miles up on the north side of Lake Mead. We'll let you know in the morning what our plans are with that. We might just decide to stay another day here because we don't feel like moving.
We'll see.
We'll see. Things change minute to minute around here.
Yeah.
Good girl. So we did end up, we're just rolling out of that Colville campground, and we're
Colville Bay.
Now we're headed to Echo Bay. It's about 29 miles, still on the north shore of Lake Mead, but it's even farther. And so it's more remote. I don't know what to expect, but I bet it's gonna be fun. We got a spot. it's actually oddly more crowded here than Colville, and this is way more out of the way, it seems.
But the spaces are farther apart and there's more privacy between the spots.
Yeah, lots of big overgrown bushes. We passed some awesome scenic places to hike, which I think we're gonna stay one night here. We're gonna go back towards Colville and do some hiking tomorrow in some red rock areas. And
it was Redstone?
Redstone,
yeah, so the drive from Colville Bay to here is 30 miles, and there was some really scenic stuff there.
So cool.
So we had the good camera put away, so we're gonna get that out. And we'll leave sometime tomorrow morning and maybe hit that Redstone picnic area, do some hiking, show you that stuff. It's really cool. And then
go back to Colville for a couple days. It is so windy here. Crazy. Okay, we better
windy
go
and 73.
Windy and 73. We're gonna go pay for our spot, and then I gotta get lunch going. I think I'm gonna make macaroni salad.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, change of plans. We decided we're not staying here. It's only a half-hour drive back to Colville, and I just don't know. It's so windy, and I just wasn't feeling it for some reason, and
She liked the other place better, so why not go back?
we're just gonna go back and have that as our home base for the next few days, and then we are still gonna go hike those Redstone tomorrow, so we'll show you what that looks like. But I do have the Sony up on the dash, so on our way back, I'll be showing you some of the scenery on the way. So. Round 2 for our oven and its cover. We just made some cornbread, and it actually looks amazing. I've got honey butter, and I made some chili. I did make macaroni salad earlier too. I guess I've been cooking all day. It's one of those days. It's gonna be good. I think what we've discovered is that, now what did you cook this at? Around 350?
325.
325. So this said to cook it at 375, but we did 325 because the flame is actually so close to the pan. It's not like a normal oven. So if you turn down the temp a little bit, even with that stone in there, yeah, it makes it so the bottom doesn't get too dark and the edges don't get too crispy. So I think we're really getting this nailed. We got some
Feed me some chili.
chili going on. Be done a little bit. Chili in the bowl, cornbread coming out, honey butter all mixed up. Let's see what we got going on. Oh man. Done all the way through. Nice, golden brown on the outsides. I'm gonna have to dish up here. Okay. Oh, is it out of this world?
You made honey butter.
I made honey butter.
That's not just butter. She put honey in the butter. Well,
It's the only way to.
earth balance.
That's the only way to eat cornbread with honey butter. Okay, there are multiple ways to eat chili, however. Here's a question. I made macaroni salad earlier, and I had some leftover plain macaroni. I'm going to put macaroni in my chili and have chili mac, and I'm going to put sour cream and onions on it. Dave says no. Dave's just a straight up chili, sour cream guy.
Chili.
What do you guys think? Is anyone on the macaroni train? There you have it. Behold the majestic thing that is chili mac. Alright, we're gonna eat dinner, clean this up, and hit the rack. I think I'm pretty pooped. Pistol got some exercise today. We took her for a long walk. Still just gonna give her a half a pain pill. I think we're gonna do that for a day or two and then maybe just wean her off there, but we'll get to some hiking in the morning. I think that's our plan. get up and go before it gets too warm, so we'll meet you guys all out there. So this is red. It's not red rock, red stone. This is red stone.
It's not Valley of the Fire. It's not red rock. It's red stone. We're here in the parking area.
Okay.
So we're just gonna go around. Aztec sandstone
outcrops. It's a 30-minute walk. You can breeze through 200 million years of geologic history shaped by wind and sand. When the dinosaurs roamed the earth.
Do not poke your hands and feet into dark, shaded places.
That's a good caution for this puppy over here. Don't stick your nose down a hole. Location. Pistol and I had to go back to the van, so Dave took the rest of that little hike solo. She was just ready to go back. Now she's recuperated and we're gonna head up this trail. 1/4-mile trail. Also provides views of the Muddy Mountains Wilderness Area. Come on, girl! Yeah, Pistol doesn't quite have her energy back up yet, so just a little short burst of walking will be good. camp and time for lunch. I think we're gonna wrap this video right here. We're hoping to hook up with our friend Dave. He's in the Vegas area and he has a Class B RV as well, and he's done a lot of modifications to it.
The one I want to take a look at is the Sumo Springs that he just installed, so I kind of want to get his feedback on that.
We'll hook up with him. I'm hoping he can make it out here tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll get back with you then. Leave a comment below. Macaroni and chili? I don't know. Yay, nay?
Nay!
Yay!
Separate.
No. All right. See you guys on the flip.
Carry on.